Welcome to my class, dear learners. How are you? I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am here today to take your English second paper class. Let's start our class. There are some pictures here. This one is back and another is tag. So, a bag is with a tag. He is a student, isn't he? What is this? Question tag. So, our today's class is on tag questions. Learning outcomes. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to define question tag, identify tag questions, apply tag, different use of tag. You are Jason, aren't you? Tag, adding something with other. So a tag question is a question that is used at the end of a statement to get the support from the listener. A computer operator. Tag question operators. There are some tag question operators here. Am, is, are, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought, dare, and need. These are tag questions operators. Do, does, and did used in action verbs. Tag question basic or contraction form of the operators. Am not, aren't or ain't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, might not, must not, mustn't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, ought not, oughtn't, dare not, daren't, need not, needn't. Mahua was our good friend. Tag will be wasn't she, as the sentence is affirmative and tag will be negative. Wasn't she? How to form a tag question. Structure in positive statement. Hassan is a truthful boy, isn't he? Here, Hassan is a truthful. This is affirmative sentence, so tag will be negative, isn't he? Statement plus operator plus an apostrophe comma t plus subject plus pronoun plus question mark. Structure in negative statement. She is not my mother, so the tag will be affirmative. Is she? Statement plus operator plus subject pronoun plus question mark. Talib is a smart boy, isn't he? Talib is a smart boy. This is affirmative sentence, so tag will be negative. Add tag to the following. Rubina was a brilliant student. You are not a player. They are our guests. We cannot do this now. He may come tomorrow. We should not disobey our parents. You could do it easily. They must not play bad. I have a pen. You had better go. First one, this is affirmative sentence, so tag will be negative. Rubina was a brilliant student, wasn't she? Number 2, you are not a player. This is negative sentence, so tag will be affirmative. Were you? They are our guest. This is affirmative sentence and tag will be negative. Aren't they? We cannot do this now. Can we? He may come tomorrow. May not he? We should not disobey our parents. Should we? You could do it easily. Couldn't you? They must not play bad. Must they? I have a pen. Don't I? Or haven't I? You had better go. Hadn't you? Wasn't he? Were you? Aren't they? Can we? May not he? Should we? Couldn't you? Must they? Don't I? And the last one is, don't you? How will you add tag if there is no operator in the sentence? My mother cooks very well. In this sentence, there is no operator here. This is present indefinite tense and subject third person singular number. So we have to use here does, as it is affirmative sentence. The tag will negative. Doesn't she? We play football regularly. This is also present indefinite tense and subject here. Subject is not third person singular. Subject is first person plural. So we have to use here do, as it is affirmative. You have to do it negative. Don't we? We went to market yesterday. This is past indefinite tense. So we have to use here auxiliary verb did, and it is affirmative sentence. So we have to do it as negative. Didn't he? Notes: if there is V1 with S or yes, add tag with doesn't or does. If you find V1 without S or yes, add tag with don't or do. If you find B2, add tag with didn't or did as operator. Every mother loves her child. Don't they? Nobody believes a liar. Do they? Exceptions: if you find S or yes after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, one, none, the above rows will not be effective. In that place, you have to add don't they or do they. Everyone respects him. In place of everyone, we have to use here they as tag. They. Then, as it is affirmative sentence, it will be negative. Don't they? Nobody likes a man of bad temper. Here tag will be do they, as nobody is negative. So tag will be affirmative. Do they? Notice carefully. Never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely, and scarcely are treated as negative though they appear to be positive. অর্থাৎ এগুলো দেখতে যেমন নেভার, রিয়ারলি, সেলডম, হার্ডলি, বেয়ারলি অ্যান্ড স্কার্সলি দেখতে মূলত এটা অ্যাফার্মেটিভের মতো মনে হলেও এগুলো মূলত নেগেটিভ অর্থ প্রকাশ করে। সো ট্যাগ উইল বি অ্যাফার্মেটিভ। হি নেভার কেম অ্যাগেইন। নেভার, দিস ইজ নেগেটিভ, সো ডিড হি। He can rarely come these days. Here, rarely negative sense. So, can she? You hardly ever came late. Here, hardly is expressing negative sense. So, did you? I barely know you. Do I? You ought scarcely. Scarcely also expressing negative sense. So, tag will be affirmative. Would you? More exceptions. I have a few money. Don't I or haven't I? I have few money. Do I or have I? A few, a little. Affirmative. Few, little. Negative. That means a few, a little. Affirmative. Only few or little. Negative. So tag will be there is a little water in the jar. A little, here is expressing affirmative, tag will be negative. Isn't there? Here there is a little water, only little, not a little. If we find only little, the tag will be negative and answer will be is there. There is little water in the jar. Is there. Little is expressing here negative sense. So tag will be affirmative. There is little water in the jar. Is there. I need your help, don't I? She needs a pen, doesn't she? But you need not worry. Need you? I need not go there. Need I? Here need action or do verb. In first sentence, need action or do verb. So don't or doesn't. And in the following sentences, need modal verb. So need I or need you? If I had any scope, I would visit London. Wouldn't I? Last year I had visited London. Hadn't I? This is very important information for you. I apostrophe comma D plus present form of verb. Here subject plus would plus V1. And I apostrophe comma D plus past participle form of verb. So subject plus had plus V3. Last year I had visited London. Hadn't I? Tag question in imperative sentence. Follow me. Will you? Don't stop. Will you? Go on. Will you? Please help me. Will you? Kindly do me a favor. Will you? Let me say something. Will you? Let him go. Will you? Let them enjoy the game. Will you? Exception in one place. Let us settle the matter. Shall we? If we find let us in any imperative sentence, the tag will be shall we. Let us go out for a walk. Shall we? Goodbye. I bet goodbye. Don't I? Hassan, he is Hassan. Isn't he? Who cares? That means nobody cares. Do they? Yes, it is. Isn't it? No, no, it is not. Is it? So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, thank you. This will be subject plus bit or wish or say. And tag will be don't I. If we find in any sentence good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, thank you, that tag will be don't I. Pair work. Add tag in every sentence of the following phrases. Mahim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. Everybody loves him. Once he went to visit Cox's Bazar. As he became ill, he could not visit Saint Martin. He told his friends, let us go back to Dhaka. Now, this is your homework. Write a short paragraph about yourself in 5 or 6 sentences in different tenses. Then add tag to each sentence with be, modal, let, action verb, and exceptional use of tags. Okay, these are all for today. Thank you very much. Okay.